In this video, I'll show you how to open a long and short position on BingX. First, open the BingX app or website and go to the Futures section. BingX's official guides show that long and short positions are opened from the perpetual futures trading page, where you first choose the market you want to trade, such as USD M or Coin-M, and then select the trading pair, like BTC/USDT. BingX also explains that on the order panel, you can choose your preferred order mode and set the amount, cost, or notional value before placing the trade. Next, decide whether you want to go long or short. A long position means you expect the price to go up, while a short position means you expect the price to go down. BingX's simplified futures guide states this directly. And on the trading page, you'll see buttons such as Open Long and Open Short when placing an order. Before opening the position, set your leverage carefully. BingX allows leverage adjustments in futures, but higher leverage also increases liquidation risk. You should also check whether your account is using one-way mode or another position mode, because BingX explains that in one-way mode you choose open or close first, and then choose long or short when entering the order. After that, choose your order type. If you want to enter immediately at the current market price, use a market order. If you want to enter only at a specific price, use a limit order. BingX's chart order and fast order guides show that after setting the price and amount, you can tap Open Long or Open Short to place the order. It's also a good idea to set take profit and stop loss before or when opening the position. BingX says you can configure TP and SL directly on the order screen, which helps you manage risk automatically if the market moves in your favor or against you. Once your order is filled, your position will appear in the Futures Positions area, where you can monitor unrealized profit and loss, margin, and liquidation information. If the market moves the way you expected, a long position can profit from rising prices, while a short position can profit from falling prices. One final tip: if you are new to futures, BingX also offers demo trading, which lets you practice opening long and short positions without using real funds. That can be a much safer way to learn how leverage and liquidation work before trading live. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.